Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how much I made from my YouTube videos. No clickbait, no BS. First of all, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. But let's go straight to my YouTube Analytics homepage. Okay, guys, so this is my YouTube Analytics over here. So over here you can see this is like the how many views I've basically got. So for the past month from 25th of July to 21st of August, I've got about 58,000 views. And if I look at the revenue, which is over here, how much money I've earned from that past month, you can see that I've earned just over £33. So this actually shows the amount of money that I've earned after YouTube takes its cut and the final amount that's given to me. And this is the RPM, which means how much money that I get paid approximately for about 1,000 views. If you look at one of my specific videos now, so if you go in overview, so you can see my revenue over here as well for the past month and my views as well, and how many subscribers I've got. If I go on some of my videos over here, so this is one of my recent videos that I've uploaded, and this has got a pretty decent amount of views. So this has got about 78,000 views, and total revenue from this video I've made about £30, which is somewhere around like $40 if you're from the United States. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And from that video, I've gained 228 subscribers. If you check out another one of my videos, which has got quite a substantial amount of views, if you go over here, this video is the 2020 Mercedes A-Class video that I made. And from that, if I go over here, I've got about 18,000 views, but the revenue that I've made from there is £23. So for this video particularly, I think my CPM has been pretty decent because most of the views have come from countries like Germany, UK, US, where if the views were from India, then the CPM would be slightly lower. Let's check out another one of my videos now. This is the Range Rover Velar video that I made some time back, about last year. So if I go on that, then this video has got about 27,000 views, but for this video I made about £22. So you can see it's not a substantial amount of money that I've made. It's not quite a lot of money, but it depends also whether people use adblock or not to use your videos. If the person's got adblock, then obviously no ads are going to be played on that video. And for this RPM, I've got about 85p per 1,000 views. Let's check out another one of my videos now. This is one of my videos that's gotten the most views, which is the 2019 Jaguar XJ. But a thing to note is, although I've got 308,000 views, I only got monetized somewhere kind of like in June, July. So I got about 160,000 views, and they weren't even monetized views. But you can see that the estimated revenue that I've made is £80. So let's say I got about 150,000 views difference after I got monetized. So after that, I made about £80, and from this I got about 1,200 subscribers. And the reach of this video, which means the amount of times this video has been shown to people, is about 3.5 million views, which is quite a lot. And the CPM for this is £3, but the RPM is 26p. So this is how much I earn per 1,000 views. So that's, I'd say, probably been one of my highest earning videos so far. So that's basically, I've showed you how much money I've made so far from YouTube over the past month. If you're interested in future videos like this, then please let me know in the comments below, and I can make another video of how much I've made from my lifetime earnings. But thanks for watching, and take care.